Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a GIMP tutorial on how to go ahead and make the cartoon effect. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And then the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is just, so you want to head over into your filters on the top left corner of your screen, and then you'll see a bunch of different things. But right here it says artistic, and there's a bunch of different things that you can sort of do to your canvas. So I did glass, and then if I wanted to go ahead and turn it cartoon, then I could do that as well. As you see, look at this, you can make it more and more cartoon-ish and all that other kind of good stuff. So let's go ahead and turn it all the way cartoon. Let's see what we get. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. Other than that, it's been a GIMP tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.